Hello, recently I received this Bosch GBM49 pieces drill set. It was from element 14 for a enclosures quiz. So this is one, and if you attain 100% on the quiz, you could win one of the 49 piece drill bit kits. So one is here, and I'd like to give a quick review of what are in this and maybe a quick overview on all the components. So let's get started. This is pretty heavy because a lot of metallic components are in it and a few drill bits in spades. So it's all the bits are presented very nicely inside this kit, and they are fully attachable, like fall proof and tightly attached, and all the drill bits are held with this rubberized pad. So starting off from here, these are few star screwdriver bits and some other variants over here. So over here there is a handheld screwdriver. For this these bits can be attached. For example, I'm taking one of these star screwdriver bits and I can hook it up over here. It will hold tight, and this can be used for handheld operation. If I put over here and rotate it, or this side would also work. So yeah, this would be a cool tool for handheld operation. It's quite hard to attach and deattach this one, but yeah, I think because it's the new one. So there is a small receptacle over here, and this has to be pulled down, and the bit should be here. I have it, and all these are similar variants of star screw bits, and let's give this one. Then there is this other one. So these with a small kind of bent over here, so there's a small fillet over here, and so this can be attached to the drilling machine, and connecting the bit over here. The drilling machine can be used as a screw if some screws are too tight and unable to move or unscrew them. This kind of mechanism can be used. So these all are for similar ones, and the set over here, the very back, will also get directly attached to the drill, and this can be used for mechanized operation. Great one. And here we have some spades. So these are two different sizes, and then coming to the other section, all of these are the pure drill bits. So over here in the very left, these are for wooden applications, and this for metal, and the last one for concrete. So they have put a small label over here: the wooden one, metal one, and concrete. So I did try these, and they perform pretty great. Like I was able to smoothly drill the wood, then the metal can, and also I put some nails over the concrete. So that works pretty great. So overall, let's say it's a great tool. I didn't have a drill machine. I had this. I got this, and then I had to buy a new drill machine to use this and test out. Anyways, it's always good to have a drill machine at home for doing this mechanical stuff, and will really come in handy. So I bought the Bosch GBM350 drill machine, and in the next part let's review that and go hands on and try out the drill. Safety first.